So I want to show the two ways that I attach wires to a switch like this. So if I'm just doing like a quick project and it's not a super important thing, what I'll do is put the wire through. Twist it around. Now I'll take some heat shrink tubing. So this is like the easy way to do it. Problem with this way is like if this wire moves too much, it can break contact with it. So I wouldn't use that like in a really important thing, but like if you're just doing a small project and you just need a switch and you don't feel like soldering, this can work completely fine. And the right way to do it would be soldering it, and let me show you how to do that, or show you how I do it. That's it. You can still put shrink wrap over this.